to another social media marketing tips and tricks. We will discuss about Pinterest marketing. So this Pinterest tutorial will be more about join, create, and invite. So the process will be, the tutorial will be how you can join a group in Pinterest and how you can also create a group board in Pinterest and how you can invite a person in your group board. So why group boards is important? So group boards are really helpful for you if you don't have enough monthly traffic into your Pinterest account. So the more people joined the group board, the better traffic exposure you can get. Okay, now the first things we need to do is how you can join a group board in Pinterest, and it's super important to be selective in group boards. So this account is a B2B company, so I'm gonna look for, probably let's try to look for an influencer group board, because this is an entertainment marketing profile. So let's type in influencer or influencer group. It's basically the keyword and then the word group board. Okay, so let's just type in like celebrity and then group board, something like that, and then let's click that. You can also choose in boards in the category, so you can just filter the boards. So you'll see in here, like, you will notice that this board is a group board when you see like this avatar. There's a lot of avatars in this name, so I'm gonna click this one, and this is like in the group board. Normally they have a description how you can join on that specific group board. Okay, so please add section only. Whoever want to join in a group board, you need to DM this person. So if we type in the Pinterest and then we just put that there, and then type in user people, and then this person is the owner of the group board, so you need to DM him. Anyway, Indian celebrities would be, I'm not so sure if we can add that one, probably this one. It has a 4,438 pins. So yeah, so we can add this. So you need to follow the rules, you need to check the rules. So must read the rules. Let's help each grow. Optional, pick an account to be repinned. So sometimes the rules are a bit complicated, but you just need to follow them. So I may try other things that is, more in line with our services. Probably I can look for marketing group boards. Okay, and then so this one, social media marketing. So social media marketing group boards, you'll see that it has a 17,000 monthly followers. Okay, that's pretty huge. So social media marketing, drive traffic. To be invited, go to this account. So they have different, rules to ask or to request on their group board. Okay, so join my group boards. Click that one, and sorry, my internet connection is a bit slow. So you need to fill in. So finding a group board is a bit hard because there are some rules, and sometimes they no longer accept new collaborators, but that's how it works. Now let's dive into the other process, which is create a group board. By the way, if you are already accepted in a specific group board, you will see this part in here. You will receive like a notification here that you were accepted in the group board. Okay, and it will pop once you're accepted in the group board. It will pop up in your profile, and you will see this. For example, this one, Hollywood movies intro photos. This one I was invited, I think, on the group board, and this is the owner of the group board. And you'll see here, once you are added added as collaborators, you can then, when you create a pin and upload a pins in Pinterest, you have options in here to add your pin in a group board. And normally when we add, by the way, this is like I'm gonna do the Pinterest marketing from scratch in this account. So when you pin something in a group board, I would recommend that you use your pin, because you don't want to you want that traffic to go to your website or to your Pinterest account. Okay, so that's it. You should able to see this part once you are added in the group board. So the next step would be how you can create a group board. So it's just simple. It's similar to just creating a normal board. So let's say, for example, you will create a pin. Okay, you upload a pin, for example, and there is a drop down in here that is called create a board. Now, for example, I'm gonna type in influencer marketing case study. Okay, say influencer marketing case studies. So something like that. And then once you already have the title of your group board, you click the create, and then you will have these options. So once you have that, so I created a group board in there. You go back to your profile and then the saved, and you should able to see this empty group board in here. Now you need to click this pencil icon, and then you can add a description if you want to.
By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button and that bell notification to receive new videos from me. I also have other YouTube channels, so make sure you subscribe that as well.
To accept collaborators, just like other group boards doing, like they have this one, like this, okay? And you can also have your own rules. So in order to get joined in a group board, so this, we are an entertainment marketing agencies or something like that. Just fill in the description, and then in order to get approved on the group board, you need to follow us on Pinterest. You need to fill in this form. So I would recommend to do something like fill in the form so you can grab their email address, and probably you can use that for your other marketing, and you can filter those submissions that can be your target audience, and if it's not, then they might be perfect for other marketing. So that's it. And yeah, once you already have the description, it will appear something like this. So this one, and how you can add a collaborator. So currently you are the only collaborator in this group board. So if you want to add a collaborator, you can click the plus thing in here, and you can invite those people that are currently following in your account, or you can copy this link here. Let's say, for example, your friend or your teammate, you want them to be added as your collaborator. You just provide this link, because if you go in here, I think like this one, I'm gonna open my other account. So yeah, anyway, hold on for that. So let's say, for example, you already have the form for the lead magnet for if they want to participate in your board. So you can actually use, that's why you need their email address, because you can put the email address in here and then add them as the collaborator, or you can use a Pinterest account, BookwormHead, I think that's me. So you can invite that as a collaborator, and they will receive a notification. So I'm gonna click the invite in here. So let's see how it looks on my end. So I'm gonna go into my Pinterest account and add another, and then I'm gonna log in my Gmail. By the way, this Pinterest account is still new as well. So I am adding Pinterest as my marketing channel, my social media marketing channels, because it's an underrated platform. But obviously, if you leverage Pinterest, there's a big advantage of increasing your revenue, because 2 billion of people do monthly search on Pinterest, and if your audience are female, then it's better to use Pinterest. So anyway, let's just click this one. So once you are invited into a group board, you will receive a notification like this. So let's click this open here. I think this one. Oh, this one. So Hollywood branded blah 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 invited you to a group board. The person can accept it or decline this one. And you can also let's say, for example, you have a podcast, and then you invite a lot of guests. Then if they have a Pinterest account, then I think it's a good it's a sweet spot as well to invite them on your Pinterest group board because you already have their email address. And I think there's also have like a decent traffic on your Pinterest account. So it really depends on you. So that's it, how you can invite. So we've covered everything. We covered how to join a group in Pinterest, how to create a group board, and how to invite a person to be a collaborator into your group board.